2022 GMC Yukon. I'm doing the USB charger replacement. So I got a GMC Yukon SLE, and this is the 5.3 liter. But basically inside here, I'm gonna show you which ones. I'm gonna do the one in the center console as well. So let me show you which ones. First, we're gonna do this one in the dash. Well, I guess this is the center console as well, but I'm gonna show you to pull this out and replace it. And after that one's done, I'm gonna show you to pull this one out and replace it. These are actually the same part number and pretty much the same procedure for both, but I'm gonna show you how to do both anyways. So get yourself a plastic pry bar like this. It's an interior tool, and we're just gonna gently kind of squeeze it in between this and the center console and just kind of work your way around and gently push it outwards. You want to use a plastic pry bar because a butter knife or a flathead can scratch the paint. And then once this is out, we got to disconnect a couple connectors. This one with the red clip needs to go up first, and then you could squeeze it to undo it. And then the gray one has a thumb tab. You're going to push and pull back on the connector. And then there's another one right here, a black one, same thing, just find the thumb tab, push it down and pull it back by the connector, never by the wires. Here's what it looks like. Here's the part number. This is the GM part number. I'm gonna have links below to get this on Amazon. Here it is on a GM website. This thing actually has like multiple part numbers, like 4 different part numbers for this one part. But we're gonna go ahead and just look at it on here, and then it fits these different vehicles. But yeah, here's all the different part numbers that goes by. And then here's like a little list of all the different things it can fit. And then it's on Amazon, but Amazon used the wrong picture for the part. I messaged them and told them that this is the wrong picture for the exact part. But if you look at the part number in the description, it's the right part. So I'm going to link that below. And then basically when you get your new one, we're just going to plug in the connectors. It don't matter which one you do first, but I'm going to do this black one first. Push the black connector in first, and then push the red lock in the very last, because that's a lock. Get the gray one in and that little black one in from the side. Once you get those in, we can just kind of line this guy back up and push it in gently into place like this. It should kind of make an audible little click and lock in place, and you should be good. Now let's go ahead and move to the center console one right here. Same procedure, just get a little plastic pry bar tool, which I will link below as well. They sell them on Amazon, they're like $5. Get this guy out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just same thing, get that red red clip out first, and then get the black connector out, and then get this gray one off of here, and then try not to drop it like I did. And then here it is, same part number. So you know, if you're replacing one of them, if you want to buy two, you can, but it's not necessary. But anyways, yeah, here's the same part number for that one. Again, this will be linked below. Get our connectors plugged in. Make sure you get them in the same spot, and then we'll just go ahead and put this back in, and then just gently kind of be patient with this and line it up and just kind of like push it back in place. And that's it. You should be good to go. So that's it, guys. Hopefully this video helped you out. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Thanks.
Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO.com. They got a handful of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket LED headlights. They've been out a few years now, and at first the lights they had were 200% brighter than regular headlight bulbs. Now they've upgraded the tech this year, and now it's 600% brighter. So if you're in the boonies, the suburbs, the city, I highly recommend you upgrade your bulbs. Nothing wrong with having an old car, but you should get with the times and have bright headlights like everyone else. These bulbs are available on Amazon. However, if you go to the AUXITO website, that's where I could give you a promo code for 15% off. All you got to do is go to the website, type in your year, make, and model. There's basically products for every car out there, and what kind of light you want. They have all kinds of different lights for interior, exterior, headlights, and then you just browse to what you need and you get it. And then at checkout, you're going to type in GearmoAuto and then hit apply in the coupon code spot, and it'll take 15% off.